Hi, I'm Dr. Linda Joy Rose of Raw Fusion Living. I'm here today for eHow.com to answer your question on how not to burn banana bread. Well, I know banana bread is one of the favorite things that my family likes to eat. What I like to do though is cook it more evenly because it does have a tendency to get real brown around the sides and then the inside's a little mushy. Now what you can do is here I've got a nice batter of banana bread that I'm just about to put in the oven. And instead of 350 degrees, which is the standard what you usually bake banana bread, I'm going to do it at 325, and I've also filled this pan with some water. And this is called a bain-marie. I'm going to kind of do a double little boiler thing. Just put this in the oven and I'm going to cook it for about, or bake it rather, for about an hour. You do of course want to check it by putting in a toothpick or a sharp knife, and if it comes out clean, you know that it's going to be evenly cooked throughout. And just to show you, I made some earlier today, and look at how beautifully and uniformly it's cooked throughout. So this is how you not burn banana bread. I'm Dr. Linda Joy Rose for eHow.com.